So, Sap. Okay, so cool announcements. I've got 2 sort of music video things coming out. I will be uploading those in the next 2 or so weeks, just sorting out the last little bits. Also, I've already got this, so yeah, that's cool. There's a podcast coming out in the next, also next 3 weeks-ish to a month, which is cool. Obviously, podcast, I'll just stick a link somewhere and you can listen to it there. Because I wouldn't know how to make you all listen to it live. Podcasts are a bit weird like that. Is it still a podcast if there are no iPods for it? Live questions. That's actually not my question. Somebody else put that out there, but it makes sense, right? What do we call it now? Anyway, so this is Daisy's Dust Train. Almost didn't complete my sentence. So Daisy strikes again. Daisy, take your dust train away. No one wants it here anyway. The fields are rusted over, and would you believe the rains never came? And Daisy, your dust train is a wreck. The Shasta Cascade Mountains fell to pieces. It's heading south, though we don't know how far. New Mexico is waiting, and the tracks are on the mark. And are you going to leave me here to see how your dust train runs along the coast, and how it makes no sense, but there it goes? Daisy, your dust train is going, it's going home. Daisy, take that dust train away. The tracks are gone and the roads are fucked, and God knows that I'll miss it, but no one wants it here anyway. But one day, Daisy, you'll walk us all into the sea. I actually love that. The song makes no sense at all. And you know how Dani from Red Hot Chili Peppers, Dani California, Dani the girl but singing songs to me beneath the marquee. What song is that? By the way, that's it. Dani makes a complete sort of reference like in all the Chili songs. So this is the start of that, I think. Anyway, so I hope you do enjoy it. Keep an eye out for all those sort of upcoming things coming. And yeah, have a lovely weekend.